Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you that how to download Discord in Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. So let's get started. Step 1. Open any browser in your PC and search Discord download. Step 2. Open first website and you will also find the link in the description. Step 3. Open the website and click on download. Step 4. Open the setup of Discord. As I already download, so I will not download it again. Hope it helps you. If you face any problem, then comment below. You can also join my Discord server. Goodbye.